Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're addressing a frustrating issue that many Lidl Plus app users are experiencing, the app constantly crashing or not working properly. Whether the app closes unexpectedly, freezes on launch, or features won't load, I've got you covered with these practical solutions for 2025. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. App crashes often come down to simple software glitches or compatibility issues. First, let's try the simplest solution. Force close and restart the Lidl app. On your phone, open your recent apps menu, usually by swiping up from the bottom or tapping the square button. Find the Lidl app, and swipe it completely off the screen. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app and see if it works properly. If that doesn't help, let's check for app updates. Outdated apps are a common cause of crashes. Open your device's App Store, Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Lidl Plus, and see if there's an update available. Install any pending updates, as these often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements. Now, let's clear the app's cache and data. Go to your phone settings, Apps Lidl Plus Storage. Tap Clear Cache first and test the app. If it still crashes, go back and tap Clear Data. This will reset the app without deleting your account information, though you may need to log in again. If you're still experiencing issues, let's check your phone's storage space. Low storage can cause apps to malfunction. Go to Settings Storage and ensure you have at least 1 GB of free space. Delete unused apps, old photos, or clear cached data if needed. For Android users, let's try wiping the cache partition. Turn off your phone, then press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously until the recovery menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to Wipe Cache Partition and select it with the power button. This clears temporary system files without affecting your personal data. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. First, make sure you know your login credentials. Uninstall the Lidl app, restart your phone, then download a fresh copy from your app store. This often resolves persistent crashing issues. As a last resort, check if the issue is with your operating system. Make sure your phone's software is up to date by going to Settings, Software Update and installing any available updates. I know how frustrating it is when essential apps like Lidl Plus keep crashing, especially when you're trying to use your digital coupons or check offers. One of these solutions should stabilize your app. For most people, simply updating the app or clearing its cache does the trick. If this guide helped you get the Lidl app working smoothly again, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more app troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.